Chapter 8 Law MCQ Share Capital of a Company. Section 250 of Companies Act 2013 provides for issued capital. As per Section 284, share means shares in the share capital of a company and includes stocks. Section 43 provides for kinds of shares. Company can bring off preference share by passing special resolution. Company engaged in the setting up of infrastructural projects may issue preference share for a period not exceeding 30 years. Sixth one, where a company is not in a position to redeem its preference share, it may redeem unredeemed preference shares by issue of further share preference with consent of holders of dash in value of such preference shares, 75%. 7. In case of redemption of preference shares, then company is required to submit SS7 to ROC in 30 days. A company may issue equity shares with a differential rights upon expiry of dash years from the end of the financial year in which such default was made good. 5. The equity capital with differential voting rights shall not exceed dash of the total post-issue paid-up equity share capital, 26%. In order to issue DVR shares, the company needs to obtain the approval of the shareholders in a general meeting by way of ordinary resolution. The detail with respect to issue to DVR shares shall be provided by company in the board report. In case of Nidhi company, no member shall exercise voting rights on poll in excess of dash percentage of total voting rights of equity shareholders, 5%. Preference shares are entitled to vote on every resolution placed before the company at any meeting if the dividend due on such shares are in areas for a period of dash or more, 2 years. Company may purchase its own share out of free reserve, security premium account, proceed of earlier issue. All of the above. The answer is all of the above. By passing board resolution, company may buy back shares up to 10% of the aggregate of paid up equity and free reserve. Letter of buyback offers shall be as per format prescribed in SH8. Where dash resolution is passed, the offer for buyback may remain open for a period less than 15 days. Unanimous. Form SH9 provides for declaration of solvency. Which of the following statement about securities premium is false? Can be treated as profit. Securities premium cannot be utilized towards reduction in share capital. Sweet equity shares can be issued by company by passing special resolution. Sweet equity shares shall not exceed dash of the paid up equity capital of the company at any time, 25%. The special resolution passed for the issuance of sweet equity shares is valid for a period of 12 months. Sweet equity shares issued to the directors or employers shall be locked in for a period of dash years from the date of allotment, 3 years. Register of sweet equity shares is to be maintained in SS3. Notice of right offer shall be dispatched to all the shareholder at least dash days before opening of the offer, 3 days. When the company is bringing issue at a price lesser than market price for its existing holders, it is called right issue, right of first refusal, preemptive right. For issuing employee stock option, dash is required to be passed by company, special resolution. Preferential allotment of share can be made by company if authorized by dash of members, special resolution. A company may issue bonus shares out of free reserve, security premium account, capital redemption reserve account, all of the above. The answer is all of the above.